Hi guys, so it's me, Dea. So there we are gonna play keyboard, like a keyboard tower speedrun. I don't know, I forgot. So this is my speed. I can treadmill. So guys, what's this? Okay. Guys, I didn't even click that. Bye, ballerina. Okay, guys. We are going to be fast because I'm lagging. Always lagging in this game. Okay. This is cute. So guys, there is some, you can literally walk in one stand. One stud. Ooh, level 59. Walk here. Wait. One. Speed. Oh my god, guys. Guys. Okay. So there, we are here now. We are going here. See guys? See that? It's so ASMR. Oh gosh. Gosh! Why? Why? Bye-bye, ballerina. No, 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 no. Okay. To one speed. Okay, guys, so be careful. Ooh. We are almost to stage 4.